Now let's discuss question number 52. It states that if 2 sec theta plus 3 tan theta is equal to 7, where theta is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees, then the value of twice of tan theta plus 3 times sec theta is. So very first we take here this given condition 2 sec theta plus 3 tan theta equal to 7 as equation number 1. Next we have to obtain value of this expression. Let's write it as 2 tan theta plus 3 sec theta, and I'm going to consider it as x. Let us consider this to be equation number 2. So we have first and second equation. On squaring and subtracting these two equations, you will obtain here 4 times sec square theta minus tan square theta, and you will obtain here minus 9 sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to, on squaring and subtracting we obtain 49 minus x square. So as you are aware, this is a trigonometric identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta will be equal to 1. When you substitute that as 1 and simplify this equation, you will obtain here x square is equal to 54. So on taking square root, you will obtain that x is equal to plus minus 3 root 6. So here you can clearly observe the correct answer will be option number 2. So the answer for this question is option number 2, that is 3 root 6. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed to our next question. Now let's discuss question number 53. It states that if the difference between 1/6 of sum of the lengths of all the edges of a cube and the longest diagonal of the cube is 4 upon 2 plus root 3 centimeter, the volume of the cube is out of these 4 options. So when we consider a cube, its all edges are equal. Let's consider one of the edge is equal to a centimeter. Then in that case, when I take 1/6 of the sum of all edges, as we have 12 edges, this will be equal to 12 times a. So 1/6 of 12a, and its difference is taken with the length of the longest diagonal of the cube, and length of the longest diagonal is a root 3. This is given as 4 upon 2 plus root 3. When you simplify this equation, here you will obtain that we have a into 2 minus root 3 equal to 4 upon 2 plus root 3. This could be easily simplified by transposing 2 minus root 3 to the right hand side. When you will be transposing 2 minus root 3 to the right hand side, this will reduce to 4 square minus root 3 square, that is 1. That gives me the value of a equal to 4 centimeter. So I have here edge of the cube. This will help me out to get the volume, which is a cube, resulting volume as 64 centimeter cube. So I can easily say that out of these 4 options, the correct answer is option number 2. The volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed ahead to our next question. Now let's discuss question number 54. It states that if equation 3x square minus bx plus a is equal to 0, where a and b are rational numbers, has distinct rational roots, then b square minus 12a cannot be. So here what could not be the value of b square minus 12a has to be determined. When you consider this quadratic equation, it is clearly given that it has distinct rational roots. That means its discriminant is greater than 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. In this case, that will be b square minus 12a. So as b square minus 12a is greater than 0, then which of these cannot be the value of this expression? That is clearly 0, because this quantity is greater than 0. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. I hope it is clear. Let's proceed ahead to our next question.